sweet. We got some nice red colorful peppers here at the JW Solar USA. You've seen my garden before, and this is what is happening. So I've been fighting this battle for quite some years now, but I thought I got a problem fixed. But this is what happened here. I have cayenne pepper, the long ones here, and these are habaneros. Okay, so is this one as well, and this one back here as well. See, a lot of them, a lot of peppers. Just amazing how these peppers turn out to be here. You see, so far so good. Look at these beautiful colors here. This is just awesome, right? Awesome. Yeah, it's getting there. Well, we are fast approaching the end of summer. We're gonna be facing fall pretty soon. That's all I have this year. Not too much, but I thank God for it. Look at this. So the jalapenos, there are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. For some reason, ghost peppers didn't do well. The leaves are all beautiful, nice, all green. But this is what I want to show you guys. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Live from the Command Center, JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe, as always. Bye for now. Alright, live from the Command Center of the JW Solar USA. This is the peppers. Guys, you know, you seen the first session. Well, the peppers were getting ripe and all ready. And take a look at this. Jalapenos. See that? All red. Look what is going on. All the goodies. And these are habaneros. All the goodies. It's beautiful just seeing them. I've been waiting to do this, but it's just, I was waiting for the proper timing, and maybe I'm thinking about keeping seeds, so I want to make sure they're all ready. Sorry, this is the ghost. I think so. Yeah, ghost boy right here. Okay, and here you are. Look at them. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yep. Don't you just like this, seeing this beauty? It's always nice when you grow something you see it turns out pretty well, even though we don't have much this year, but these are long cayenne pepper. So the first harvest was I plucked like maybe one or two. I gave to both of my neighbors because they're always standing watching my garden. They said they don't have a growing hand or whatever they call it, so they are not lucky growing things. But the thing that really got me this year, I can't believe that. So look at this. You know, Carolina Reaper, nothing. I didn't get nothing out of it at all. Nothing. Look at the plant here. It looks like kind of a little bit weird. And now I started having a little flower because of, I think it was just sitting from the back there. I think it loses nutrients or light. So nothing. It flowers and nothing came out. So just like this one here in the back is I think the habanero, and they flower, nothing at all. So this is all I have to show you guys. This is how it looks like. It's not a big garden with all this COVID, and this is what we got. Just want to share and like and subscribe live from the command center of JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. This is all I can got this year. Thankful, appreciate, and thanks for watching my videos. And till next year, or you're gonna be seeing these plants gonna be coming inside for the winter transit or the fall transition coming to winter, because I'm saving the plants. These plants here, keep like talking about it, is 4 years old. These 3 to 4 years. This Carolina Reaper. So I would like to keep it. It cost a lot of money when they came out, but I'm gonna try and get some new dirt and trying to change it, and so that you can get a new nutrients here. This cayenne pepper long, it kind of look a little bit weird with the leaves. Look at that. They're curly. If you look at it, like it seems like they're almost dying, because you think it's dying, but it's not dying at all. It's just the leaves are kind of weird. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good one. Bye for now.